entertainment, but tonight there'll be some love. Tonight there'll be a ruckus, yeah, regardless of what's gone before. I want to see all of the things that we've already seen. I want to see you take the jackpot out of Broom Machine and put it all back in. You've got to understand that you can never be the bandit, no. And she won't be surprised that you won't